When do alimony payments stop in Oklahoma? I'm told Attorney James Worth, and that's the question that we have. Spousal support, when does it end? So first off, in Oklahoma, by Oklahoma law, Title 43, Section 134, spousal support has to have a set finite end to it. And that's going to be specified in the order. So generally, it is going to be phrased as, $1,000 a month for 60 months or whatever the case may be as far as the duration and the amount. But it's specified in the court order as a set duration, noting exactly how much is to be paid each month. And after that last month, it is done. So that's when spousal support ends. So if the question is when do alimony payments stop, it's going to be, well, based on the terms of the decree, it should have the exact date that it stops. However, that's not always going to be the case. Just because the decree says it's for 60 months, that most of the time means it's not going to be modified, it's not going to be changed, and it's going to be those 60 months. However, Oklahoma law does allow there to be modifications under certain circumstances. So the party receiving spousal support can file to modify so long as they file within the time period where spousal support is still being paid out. They can file to modify, noting that there's been a change of circumstances where the need has increased or the ability to pay has increased and it should be extended or the amount should go up. The other party can file to change if there's been a cohabitation, that can be grounds, or if there's been a remarriage, then that could be automatic termination of spousal support. So generally speaking, spousal support is going to be paid for exactly how long it says in the decree. However, in some circumstances, it could be modified by the court. Hopefully that answers that question. But if you've got more questions related to spousal support in Oklahoma, family law in general, Oklahoma law in general, you're going to want to talk to an attorney privately and confidentially about that. To get that scheduled with somebody at my office, you can go online to makelawEasy.com.